video, we are going to see how to sort a hash map using stream. Okay, so what we are going to do is now we are going to create few employee objects and we store these employee objects into a hash map. Then we sort this hash map by keys using the stream. Okay, so we have a employee class. It has instance variables such as id, name, designation, and salary. Let us create few employee objects. Okay, so we have created few employee objects e1, e2, e3, and e4, and we have added these employee objects into the hash map. Hash map is employee emp map hash map. We added these objects into this hash map. So now what we have to do is, let us first convert. Okay, let us first convert this into a stream. This hash map into a stream. Okay, so we call a method entry set. So this method will return a set. Then we call stream method. The stream method converts this into a stream. So now we got the stream now. So what we do is, we let us call a sorted method. So sorted method is used for um, sorting the stream. So we have to pass a comparator because we want to sort this hash map using the key, right? Here the keys are the IDs. So we are going to sort this hash map by the keys that we have stored. Okay, so what we do is we have to pass a comparator. So let us call comparator dot comparing, and we have to pass a to the comparing method we have to pass a function. So this comparing method takes a function as a argument. So function is a functional interface. It takes a input and it will convert it into another input, into another output. Okay, function takes a input and it will convert it into a output. So it has a method called apply. So we have to pass a input to that, it will convert it into a output. So what we do is, let us write a lambda expression to implement this function. So entry lambda operator, then entry dot get key. Okay, have to call the get key method. Then, so by using the key we are comparing. So this get key, the comparing method will return a comparator object. So the sorted method use that comparator object to sort this string. So once it is sorted, we have to print it. So we use the for each method. So for each method takes a consumer as a argument. So consumer actually consumes. It takes an input, but it will not return anything. So we have to write here. We have to provide a implementation of consumer. So we have to write a lambda expression here. So okay. So entry lambda operator, then system dot out dot println, then we have to write like entry dot get value, then use a colon plus entry dot, here it is get key, right? Get key, we have to print key value pairs, right? So get key, then here entry dot get value. Okay, so now let us print these values. So let us do a quick summary of what we have done in this code. We have created few employee objects and we have created a hash map. Then we stored the key and value pairs into the hash map. Key as the employee ID and value as the employee objects. So we stored these employee objects into the hash map. Next is, we want to sort this hash map using the by key using stream. So what we have done is, first we call the entry set method which will return a set. Then we call the stream method which actually converts this hash map into a stream. Okay, so once we get this stream, we want to sort it. So we call the sorted method and we pass a comparator by calling comparator dot comparing, and for the comparing method we have to pass a function as an argument. So we pass entry lambda operator, then entry dot get key. So we want to compare using the, we want to sort it using key. Once it is done, it will return a, the sorted method will return a stream of sorted elements. Okay. So now we call for each method to print the values. So for each method takes consumer as an argument. So we have to pass a implementation of consumer as an argument to the for each method. So we passed entry lambda operator system dot out dot println entry dot get key colon entry dot get value. So it will print the values in the order of the ID. Okay. So now let us run this code and see the output. Now we can see the output 103 as the ID, value as employee ID 103, name Ravi, salary 20,000, then 105, then employee details 107, then 108. Okay.